This question is JEE Main 2005. What is the question? Two spherical conductor B and C having equal radii and carrying equal charges in them repel each other by a force F kept apart some distance. Now what happens? A third spherical conductor A is having the same radii as that of B but uncharged. What we have to notice here, this A is uncharged, okay, brought in contact with B and then contact with C and finally removed away. Now what is the new force of repulsion between B and C? So now let me visualize this situation here. Two spherical conductor, suppose this is spherical conductor B and this is spherical conductor C, and these two spherical conductors is kept apart at some distance, and suppose that distance will be r, and these two spherical conductors having equal charge, suppose the charge on these two spherical conductors will be q according to the question. Clear? Now we will neglect their radii. Why we will neglect their radii? Because the electrostatic force of repulsion will be affected due to induction effect. So in any type of question we are solving, we have to neglect their radii. So two charges Q and Q. Now we will see what is the given in the question. The force of repulsion between them F is equal to K into Q1 will be Q into Q2 is also Q upon what? R square. So that will be written as K, Q1, Q2. Q1 is Q into Q will be KQ by Q square by R square. So this is equation number 1. Now what happened in the next situation? What happened? A uncharged spherical conductor A initially come in contact with B. Now what happens? Suppose this is B and a uncharged spherical conductor A, which is this is uncharged, came in contact with B. So charge on B will be Q and charge on A will be 0. So both the charge divided on both will be Q by 2 and Q by 2. Q plus 0 divided by 2 on B also and on A also. Charge sphere A get Q by 2 charge and sphere B also get Q by 2 charge. Now what is the situation here? Sphere A have get the Q charge, sphere B is get the Q charge. Now this A come in contact with C, this charge, this sphere also having the charge Q and this A having the charge Q by 2. Now if this A come in contact with this C, now what is the charge on both sphere now? The charge on C will be Q, charge on A will be Q by 2. These two come in contact. So charge will be, the total charge will be Q plus Q upon 2. That will be a what? Q plus Q by 2. So that will be 3Q by 2. So charge come on each sphere C and A will be 3Q by 2 divided by 2. That will 3Q by 4. So what is the final charge on C? 3Q by 4. What is the final charge on A? Also 3Q by 4. So this is now removed to infinity. Now what is our condition? What is the charge on B now? What is the charge on sphere B now? Q by 2. What is the charge on sphere C now? 3Q upon 4. And kept at a distance R, suppose new force of repulsion will be F dash. So F dash is equal to what? K into Q by 2 into 3Q by 4 into what? R square. So F dash by F is equal to what? K 3K Q square upon 8R square. Now divided F by F dash, we will get what? F dash is equal to 3F upon 8. So final answer will be this.